A society that I painted. A world that we painted. A dream everyone painted. Technology enabling happiness to come around. The strength of green is found within. Green moves the world. Tayoing Korea. Tayoing Korea, which has contributed to the development of global electronics industry through material business, is a member of Tayo Group and has Tayo Holdings as its headquarters. Tayo Holdings was founded on September 29, 1953, and has grown into a global enterprise with its main business in development, manufacturing, and sales of solder resist for PWB. It has the head office in Ikebukuro, Tokyo now, and it is the holding company that undertakes the role of business management and establishment of overall business policies for group companies established throughout the world. In addition, with the solder resist as the main business, the company continuously grows with business of incidental materials for electronic devices, medical and drug business, energy business, raw material, and system business affiliated companies. On the basis of its high-caliber technology, Tayo Group responds quickly for customers and expands business opportunities through global network including Japan, Korea, China, Taiwan, US, and others. Tayoing Korea, the hub of production and sales for Tayo Group in Korea, has the main business of development, manufacturing, and sales of solder resist. And in addition to the solder resist, the company leads the market through continuous release of new products, such as inkjet material, dry film, materials for glass processing, and others. In particular, the company maintains 70% of domestic market share rate for the PWB solder resist in Korea and has been the dominating force with its highest quality and top-notch technology service. In addition, the company expands its business territory to the solar energy generation field with the goal of 100% power generation for the company's required energy. Tayoing Korea was established with the technology affiliation and joint venture investment between Pacific Group and Tayoing Japan on September 1, 1988. From 1993, the company began to export the products in full scale to the Southeast Asia, China, and European territories. And in 1994, it established Annex Research Institute of the company. In 1998, the company resolved the joint venture with Pacific Group. The company was awarded with the Presidential Commendation for Diligent Tax Report in 2002, 2005, and 2011. The company commenced the production of paste for PDP for the first time in Korea in 2006 and accomplished to win the Tower of Export for $100 million on the Day of Trade in 2008. Furthermore, in addition to selling the existing products, the company developed Inkjet Marketing, Inc. in 2012 and DFSR for camera module in 2015. And it spun off the solder resist for semiconductor package panel in order to strengthen the business capability in 2016. And the company has expanded its business into diverse fields with the completion of solar energy power plant and development of spacer for lens module in 2018, as well as commencement of warehousing business in 2019. The main product of Tayoing Korea is the green-colored ink. It is the solder resist that has approximately 70% of domestic market share rate. What is the solder resist that is required in electronic products of mobile phone, PC, and the like? The solder resist is a coating material to insulate and protect the circuit pattern of the printed wiring board. This printed wiring board that operates the system through the precise circuits by loading the electronic components is PWB. The solder resist, as the main product of Tayoing Korea, is the ink indispensable for the PWB. And it is the ink with the function to insulate and protect the circuit pattern by covering up the PWB surface. The solder resist ink is an indispensable material for completion of electronic products, and it is used in all electronic devices that we encounter in ordinary living situations. The manufacturing process of Tayo in Korea, that is the highest priority in workers' safety, is provided to customers through the following stringent process. Once the raw material is warehoused, it is kept for 24-hour constant temperature and constant humidity, and only the raw materials past the stringent quality test can be used. The process of manufacturing the ink is consisted of weighing, mixing, grinding, and packaging. During the weighing process, a fixed and exact quantity of raw materials is injected in accordance with the characteristics of product. For preventing any error, the barcode system is operated. For the mixing process, various stirring equipment is used for mixture. The grinding process is done in the clean room facilities, and it helps raw materials dispersed consistently by using roll mill, bid mill, and so forth. Through the packaging process, a fixed quantity of ink is put into the container by using the facilities to remove foreign substances and prevent mixed entry of it. For all packaged products, stringent quality test is implemented in 10 categories of printability, adhesion, hardness, chemical resistance, heat resistance, and so forth. The packaged products are kept in the warehouse with 24-hour constant temperature condition. Also, through the global network of Tayo Group, domestic and overseas laws and regulations, as well as customer requirements, are continuously monitored in a way of implementing thorough harmfulness verification from the time of introducing the raw materials, and through the regular product analysis, safe products are supplied to customers. For Tayo in Korea, technology development is the most imperative task. PWB is continuously advanced with the trend of thinner, lighter, and slimmer product. So for our products, the company is also working hard on continuous product development to realize diverse functions. Through this ceaseless R&D, the company has acquired a number of patents, including the basic patents of alkaline development type solder resist. In addition, through the steadfast development of dry film for camera module, dry film for lens module spacer, white tri-film for mini LED, insulation ink for inkjet, material for glass processing, and others. The company is committed to generating new business opportunities to facilitate our technologies. On the basis of absolute advantages in the solder resist market, Tayo in Korea is committed to generating new businesses in 5G, micro LED, automotive, robot, and new recycling energy fields continuously. Until the drawing we painted becomes the drawing for you. The dream of green will not stop. Green moves the world. Tayo in Korea.